Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a sponsored video on TikTok. This process involves enabling branded content tools within the app to ensure your video complies with TikTok's sponsorship guidelines. Let's begin. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all your previously uploaded videos. Now, select the video you want to turn into a sponsored video. Once you've chosen the video, you will notice 3 dots located in the bottom right corner of the screen, next to the video. Tap on these 3 dots to access a menu with additional options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Ad Settings, or a similar term depending on your app version. Tap on it to proceed. This will redirect you to the Branded Content and Ads section, which is specifically designed for managing sponsored content. In this section, you'll see a variety of settings related to branded content. Start by enabling the Branded Content toggle. This feature lets TikTok know that your video contains promotional material or a sponsorship. Depending on your requirements, you may also need to enable the Paid Partnership setting. This allows you to tag the brand or sponsor in your video, which is often a necessary step to comply with advertising guidelines. If applicable, enter the name of the brand or sponsor in the provided field. Double-check the details to ensure they are accurate. Once all the desired settings are enabled, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap the Save button. This will apply the changes to your video and ensure it is marked as a sponsored post. After saving, you can preview your video to confirm that all changes have been applied correctly. If everything looks good, your video is now set up as a sponsored video and is ready to be shared with your audience. That's it. You've successfully created a sponsored video on TikTok using the app's built-in branded content tools. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.